application starts with shampooing the hair twice with GK Hair pH Plus Clarifying Shampoo. The clarifying shampoo preps the hair for the Juvexin treatment. Step 2. Section the hair in 4 quadrants. Then do 1/4 inch subsections. Step 3. Apply the best with the application brush. Do not apply to the scalp. Be sure to stay away from the scalp while combing or massaging the product through the hair. Be generous with the amount of product and how you saturate the hair in order for the treatment to have maximum effect. Allow the product to sit on the hair for 40 to 60 minutes. Step 4. Rinse the hair with warm water until the product runs clear out of the hair. Step 5. Apply the deep conditioner and rinse off after 5 minutes. Step 6. Blow dry the hair on high heat with a round brush using sufficient tension to smooth the hair until 100% dry. Step 7. Section the hair and flat iron with GK Hair's titanium flat iron at least 410 degrees. If the hair is over-processed, flat iron at 370 degrees or lower the temperature further if the hair is very weak and damaged, especially towards the ends of the hair. Pass the flat iron about 2 to 3 times on each section. Step 8. Clients are free to shampoo their hair at any time after the treatment using GK Hair shampoos and conditioners fortified with Juvexin to maintain the results of the treatment.